We're already at the start of July and it's time to prepare for Q4. And now is the perfect time to focus on products that we know are easily scalable, but also profitable in regards to what we sell online with Etsy. In today's video, I want to share with you a specific category of product that has done extremely well and how you can find these top selling designs and reorganize them and redesign them in your own unique way. I want to share this all with you coming up next. Welcome back to the video, my friends. If you're new here, my name is Jay, and on this channel, I teach you how to make income online by creating and selling your own products. So if you like content like this, then consider subscribing to my channel. Now, one of the main tools that's going to help us actually create these print-on-demand products is Printify. And the reason why I like them so much is because they have a large category of things to actually sell. And with their seamless connection with Etsy, that means all the information you get once you get an order from Etsy will be streamlined over to Printify, which really allows you to be as hands-off as possible in regards to this business. Now, we're definitely looking at some of the products they offer, but you can actually get these products at a major discount if you jump on their Printify Premium plan, which will save you money in the long run. With Printify Premium, you get it at a major discount. Now, they were so kind to give my audience a discount code if you're new to Printify Premium, where you're able to get 30 days absolutely for free. If you want to get started with Printify for free, they have the option too, but I make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below for you to check this out on your own and to see what is best for your print-on-demand business. So here we are in Etsy, and we're looking for these specific seasonal designs that we know would do extremely well. So our first place that we're looking at today is tumblers. And when we go down a little bit further, we obviously see that tumblers are doing extremely well. They have a lot of best-selling products on here. As we move closer to the Christmas time or Q4 season, we want to focus on items that can be gifted, right? Just not items that are tied to the holiday, but items that can be gifted. And anything with personalization is a great product to sell. So we see these type of trending products doing extremely well here. These specific designs that are floral and have the personalization right on it. I think that is a great space for you to create if you are thinking about creating these type of tumblers designs. And truly anything with the floral design and with the personalized name on it is going to be a great addition to your lineup of listings that you create. Now, of course, we can go a step further and design this more so in a seasonal type way by bringing in some Christmas elements to make our product stand out even more. That is an option there because there are some people who do like purchasing things tied to the Christmas season. But one thing I want to note is that usually when these products are sold in high volume, like Popular Nows and bestsellers, they are definitely items that are personalized. So you definitely want to incorporate that with your listing. All right, so here is our first top trending design that I believe will sell extremely well moving forward in this year. And just because we're focused on the Christmas season does not necessarily mean we need to create a Christmas product for this to sell well. Remember, when we think about the Christmas time and just fourth quarter in general, most of these items are going to be gifted. So we definitely want to incorporate some type of personalization to our product and something that can be carried on throughout the entire year for that individual. So as you can see here, this product is bringing in that floral theme that we know to do extremely well here. I love to use AI into my designs, and you can definitely go into different type of tools like Kiddo and even Canva in some regards and make really amazing AI designs like this to put on top that you can merge over into your design space here. And so this can definitely be a design trend that we can take, just not for the mom niche or for the personalized grandma niche in our case here. We can definitely take this over to the dad niche and bring over some things that the dad might enjoy and transfer over that into the personalized items as well. So there's a lot of opportunities for us to learn from these type of listings that we can start selling ourselves. So there's a couple things I see with this design that is obviously doing well. Number one, it is showcasing different designs of the actual product itself in the thumbnail image. I think that is crucial when you are selling different type of personalized items, just to showcase how they can be personalized. We can see here, this is the best selling product. We can see here that people have this already in the cart. As I scroll up here, 20 plus people have this in the cart. And when I go down even further here, we can see this particular product sold at least 188 times because that's the number of reviews just for this listing as well. It takes between 5 to 7 purchases for someone to leave at least one review. So we can do the math here in regards to how demanding this product has been. And I think this will even grow even further when we get closer to the Q4 season, because people are going to get on Etsy and just buy products that are going to be gifted as a gift, obviously for a family member. So we definitely want to incorporate these type of things into our listing. Now this product also brings in that trend of that floral design. This one here is basic. I think we can do even further by adding in some watercolor flowers here to make our product stand out even more. Again, the goal here is obviously not to copy, but learn from the listing and see what we can do ourselves. But the fact is that this floral design is something people enjoy. This is more so geared towards a specific occasion, obviously for a bride and a bridesmaid, but we can definitely transfer this into a gifted item for Christmas that we can still incorporate these type of design trends there. So we still have that floral design up top. Again, we have the name at the bottom, which is obviously important when we talk about personalization. And of course, whatever we're talking about today can be also thought of as a Christmas item, right? Incorporate some Christmas things here into this design if we do want to go that route. That sells well also, but bringing in this floral design is definitely key in regards to what is selling. Now, this is also a best-selling product here. We can see 20 plus people have this item in the cart as well. And when we scroll down to the bottom here, for this specific listing, over 200 people have reviewed this. That means there are multiple people that have purchased this product. And we know this is going to do extremely well as a gifted item moving forward. All right, so here is another product that is doing extremely well right here. And we see this also adding in that personalization, more so with the pet itself. Obviously, we have the pet name as well, but bringing in that personal image into the Tumbler design is going to be great. And all you can see here is that they grab the photo from the customer here, and then they utilize some AI tools to create a filter on the pet itself to make it stand out in this kind of cartoon style here. And of course, we can always add in a Christmas theme to add in some more of those seasonal type trends we know to work well. But I think this is a great place for you to think about designing and creating for. And again, we can always change the background, add in some more seasonal colors here to make it stand out for this specific season. But again, I think this is a great product you can create and start designing for your print-on-demand shop. Now, here is another variation of that design that we talked about, adding in obviously the personal pet names. And this one here more so brings the outline of the pet itself. Again, we see personalization all over the product here. It is a best-selling product, as we can see. And then it's obviously bringing in that personalization with just not the name of the pet, but also the outline of the breed of pet here. We can see this is doing extremely well. When I go to the top, 5 people bought it in the last 24 hours. And when we scroll down even further here, we can see this product has been reviewed 490 times just for this specific listing. So we know this product has done well, and we know this product will only do even better as time moves on. Now, again, the goal here is not to copy this design, but think about what we can add in here to make it stand out even more. We can change the background itself. We can add in different type of text. We can add in some watercolor designs that's not featured here. There's a lot of opportunities for us to fill in the gap, but still stay true to the space here that's doing extremely well with sales. Here is another product that is doing extremely well here. This one obviously bringing in personalization, but in a unique way, right? Normally we think about personalization just being the name or something tied to the person or the year. But this one's bringing in full personalization, actually adding in photos to the Tumbler. And I think this is a great addition as well. Now, of course, we can always make our product stand out even more by putting an outline to the photos or adding in some flowers to the design here. But as you can see, really easy to do. Grab the photos from your customers, have a whole collage of how you're able to drag and drop these in here. Canva does that extremely well. And then incorporating those things over into our space and adding in those additional features, either be flowers or it can be retro type style stars, and even adding in the Christmas seasonal type of trendy designs, either be snowmen or even some Christmas trees or some snowflakes. Those type of design elements can make a basic product like this stand out even more for the season that we're selling for. Now, if we go down a little bit further here, we can see that this product itself has been reviewed over 800 times. We know that if a product has been reviewed, then it takes between 5 to 7 purchases for one review to be left. So you can imagine the amount of sales this particular listing has received over the lifetime of the product. And of course, anything that's focused on a gifted item is just going to do extremely well this Q4 season. So as you can see, selling these tumblers is a great place for you to sell these type of products, getting prepared for Q4, which we know the primary sales that's going to happen are gifted items. So we definitely want to start listing items in this way that can be sold as well. Now, if you're new to print on demand and you're not sure how to get started, check out my free course down below. It is my step-by-step process to share with you how to get started selling these items on Etsy. I'll take you from starting your Etsy shop to creating your first listing and getting your first product visible so you can start making sales on Etsy. If you want to check out my free course, check out my link down below and subscribe to my channel to learn more about how to make income online. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.